Full suit of frown every day and adios. Tie up your head now, your sexy clothes. Take off the sweatpants and the big ugly blouse. If you keep it up.
What's going on, Paul? This was today. Video is going to be on ex-dancehall artist Destiny Sparta Psycho Doll. And I'm saying ex-dancehall artist because she's now a Christian. She has given her life to the Lord. And I'm going to play the video of her giving her testimony. Alright, and for those of you who don't know who Destiny Sparta is, you can go ahead and look her up and you will see her song and so forth on our social media on present, like the one you're currently looking at. Anyway, on to the video.
No, I don't want to be a Christian who force nothing down nobody's throat, because nobody could force nothing upon me until I was ready. The only thing I can do is talk about the love and the mercy of God and share my experience. No, I go through a thing when I'm depressed for months. Usually I'm a social drinker, recreational drug user, and I find myself in a situation where the man them where they are run bar from sun people till night come down, not have nothing upon me. When you smell me, you smell a real rummed. I start smoke weed, which I used to smoke weed one long time ago, and I stop, and it reach a point where I'm dependent on it. If I not have the weed, all the stem, the little stem part of weed, I cut up and roll it in a Rizla. If I not have no Rizla, I roll it in a Bible leaf. That's how bad it got, real stocky business. Rum, cigarettes, weed, all day, every day. And me used to take some weight loss pill, fentanyl, and they make me high. And me live upon them, me feed upon them, always jugged up. Now, one night in particular, I decided to say, you know, I'm going to sleep with my mother, and I ask her to play some prayer for me. And she find a Cindy Trim prayer on YouTube, and she played it. And while she was playing it, I find myself, I just go, I saw me behave. And like she think I was having a seizure. To me, what was happening is like one entity inside of me want to come out, but it can't come out. So the next day, I decided to go to church with her. Lo and behold, when I go to church with her now, the pastor had also called me, the first person reach up there, because I know something wrong with me. I've been known that there was something wrong with me. But this time I decided, say, you know what? I go to church and see what go on. Anyway, go up at the altar. From the pastor see me, she had tears in her eyes, and she said, I just want to hug you. She wasn't supposed to lay hands on whatever because of the COVID. So she prayed, and I drop on my butt. Then she walked, because there was a fence there, and she walked come around the fence, and she started praying. Because while she was still praying, when I fall and I dip on my butt, she was still praying, and the thing, whatever was happening to me the night before, it still happened. Me I stiff up. And she come around and she pray, and she lay her hands on me, and I remember she say, loose her! Loose her! She prayed. She was over me for a while. And when the Bible tells us that the unclean spirit left with a loud cry, no feel no joke thing. I was there, and I had on my mask, and I just and whatever in me come out, and I just drop on my head back, boom. And I feel weak, but I feel so relieved. And anyway, after that, I come home. I have no need, I have no urge for smoke, for drink, nothing, everything, it's gone. Now, certain people now believe in certain things, but let me tell you this. Ephesians 6 verse 12 tell us, we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. Certain things, very real, but always remember this. Jehovah is there waiting him, having and stretch out, sir, and just wait for with a hold on to it for help, with a pull we out of any situation that we are going through. So, no care what you are doing in life, always pray, always keep God close, because nobody cannot convince me say God not real, because I've experienced. I've been through a lot. These are just one of them. But 2 weeks after that, me decide, so guess what? May I do the right thing. I'm going to get baptized, which is about a month now. And there's nothing else left in this world right now more than for me to walk with God and give him my praise.